why you're encountering issues connecting to the Crew Motorfest servers. 1. Scheduled maintenance. It's currently March 13, 2024, and Ubisoft is performing essential maintenance on the Crew Motorfest servers from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. If you're trying to connect during this window, you won't be able to due to the scheduled downtime. 2. Server outage. Unlikely, less likely, there could be an unexpected server outage causing connection problems. Here's what you can do. Check the server status. Ubisoft has an official support page for the Crew Motorfest linked to www.ubisoft.com. They typically announce maintenance windows there. You can also search online forums or social media for any news about server outages. Wait for maintenance to complete. If it's within the maintenance window, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. on March 13, 2024, you'll just need to wait until it's finished before trying to connect again. Important note, the Crew Motorfest online services, including multiplayer, news, and player statistics, are shutting down permanently on March 31, 2024. After that date, the game will no longer be playable online.